Hey guys, so I've just woken up, it's food and that. Got a simple recipe for you today, just a quick banana, oat and peanut smoothie. Super easy, super lazy. I'm kind of tired, as you might be able to hear in my voice. I've got the coffee on the go. And yeah, I'll just show you a quick one today. Good way to meet your protein needs. And yeah. So here we got the peanuts. These are just roasted, unsalted peanuts. We've got oats. Just any brand of oats will do, is fine. You can leave them in the fridge overnight in water to soak. They blend a lot easier. This is like a teaspoon of brown sugar and then like a pinch of salt on top. Here we've got 1.5 bananas. You can add 2, depends what you fancy. And then half a glass of milk. How much is this in volume? Come on man, who cares? It's half a glass of milk, come on. It's not that difficult. How big's the glass? Put half in. It's not a big deal, man.
Come on,
if
man.
you have a bit more milk,
what are we talking about?
Whatever,
come on, man.
It's fine. So we're gonna blend this all together. I'm gonna do the dry stuff first and then add the milk and the banana. I'm gonna add some ice cubes as well. So yeah, just got the ice cubes out as well, just to keep it cool. What I like to do sometimes, if I have them, if I have an Oreo, I'll like take out the sugar, I'll take out the salt and just put like 1 Oreo, and it just adds a bit like of flavour and sweetness and saltiness, and the colour change is nice as well. Gives it sort of a darker colour. So I'm just going to go in with all the dry stuff. Goes. And then I'm just going to blend this for like a minute, get it nice and fine. So that's kind of what we're looking at. It's almost sort of like a powder really, and it's gotten, the oats have gotten that fine just from the sugar and the peanuts, because there's like the abrasives. So as you can see, I've made a complete mess. Tried to get a shot of it blending around and thought, oh yeah, that might work. Obviously didn't. Got food everywhere. I'm just gonna throw that peanut back in. And yeah, this is what I'm like before my morning coffee. So now I'm gonna add the banana and milk. So I'm just breaking this banana out with my hands. Less washing up, no need to use a knife. And you can add water to this as well. I mean, I'm going to be doing that in the form of ice, but I think a bit of water in the morning is always nice. Depends on how thick you want your smoothie, to be honest. I don't like my smoothies too thick. I like more of a soupy, not soupy, but like easier to drink consistency. And yeah, I'm just gonna bring the milk in. I'm just gonna pop the ice cubes in too. 3, 4. So right now I'm not really liking the thickness, it's a bit thick for me, so I'm just going to pour some water in while it's blending. I'll show you that now. Okay, there we go. looking like super white. I don't know why that is, because of the milk maybe. And the oats. I guess it's not supposed to be that yellow anyway. But I guess if you add more banana, it will be yellow. I don't know. Let me give it a taste. Yeah, tastes really good. Simple. Milk, oats, banana, sugar, peanuts, salt. Some people do like peanut butter, but I just prefer like regular peanuts. Gives it a bit more of a bite. As you can see, it's quite like thin, quite liquidy. It's still a smoothie, it's smooth, but it's not thick. I don't really like thick smoothies. I like thickies, man, nice thickies, but I don't like my smoothies thick. Anyway guys, that's all from me. I'm gonna get my day started. Thanks for joining me, and yeah, have a new video soon. Bye.